I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing credentials. Make sure you know the Apple ID and password. Once ready, check for active Roblox subscriptions. Those block payment changes. Then open Settings, tap your name at the top, and select Payment and Shipping. You will see saved cards. Don't pause to speculate. Look for the card tied to Roblox purchases. If you spot unpaid balances or pending charges, note them. This first step puts you in the account area where removal is possible and explains why subscriptions matter. Once done with settings, tap Subscriptions and cancel any Roblox recurring plans. You must stop future charges to remove the card. Then return to Payment and Shipping, tap Edit, and locate the card you want to remove, swipe left or tap Remove. If Remove is grayed out, add an alternative payment method or select None if Apple shows that option. Make sure there's no unpaid balance and no active subscriptions, because Apple prevents deletion until those conditions clear. This sequence explains how and why each step enables removal. You finish by confirming the card no longer appears in Payment and Shipping and in App Store purchase settings. That verifies success. Then sign out of the App Store and sign back in to refresh the account. This helps clear cached payment data. If you still can't remove the card, check for unpaid charges or active subscriptions one more time, pay any balance or cancel subscriptions. If all else fails, contact Apple support. They can remove payment methods when app-level blocks or billing holds prevent you from doing so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.